If you want to lock apps on OPPO Reno 15, all you have to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, choose Security and Privacy. And then here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the App Lock in Special Features section. So you can go ahead and choose App Lock. And over here, you can just simply turn it on quite easily. And to turn it on, you also need to have a privacy password created. You can, of course, tap on Use a different password type to choose, like the name suggests, a different password type. So use the password, whatever you want to use for the app lock. You need to enter it twice. And then you can also use your OPPO account to be able to recover the password, but we can also tap on Not Now. And then you can also use, for example, a recovery email or a security question instead. You want to set up something so that whenever you forget the password, or if you forget the password, then you have the option to recover it. Once we have the privacy password created, then we can choose whichever apps should be locked. And now after locking them, if we try to open them, as you can see, we need to enter the privacy password. Leave a like and subscribe.